Today's first reading is from the book of Judges. The period of Judges comes after the time when the chosen people were wandering in the desert and after the time in which they conquered the lands of Canaan, the different kingdoms that were in Canaan. And the Judges also come onto the scene before the emergence of the kings, before the evolution of the monarchy. So we see in the book of Judges a pattern that repeats itself over and over. The chosen people are unfaithful to God. Usually it's because they're practicing idolatry. God punishes the chosen people, and then a judge rises up and delivers the Israelites from their dilemma, from their challenges, from their problems, and the people repent. And then we see that God forgives them, and there's peace and fidelity to God for a period of time, and then the people become unfaithful again, and the whole cycle repeats itself. What does this have to do with us today? Well, what I'm thinking of is that I know in my own life, I find it hard at times to change. It's hard to break old patterns of behavior. It's hard to break old attitudes. In other words, we all fail at some point. And so I think the book of Judges, at least one of the points of the book of Judges, is that we shouldn't give up when we fail. That we should keep trying. That we should keep trying to be better people. Because certainly the lesson from the book of Judges is that even though the people failed him time and time again, God never failed them.